I'm going to talk you through two of these worked examples. We're looking at lattice multiplication. So 18 multiplied by 72. We put one of the numbers up here and the other down here. So we've got 18 and 72. Then what we do is we look at the numbers that are on either side of the box and we multiply. I'm going to put a multiplication symbol here just to remind you. We are doing multiplication. 1 multiplied by 7. Now 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. So I put the 7 in the lower box and there are no 10s with a 7. So I put a 0 there. 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. So this is the 50 and then the 6 just here. 1 multiplied by 2. This box here has 1 at the top and it has 2 at the side. So this will be 1 multiplied by 2. There are no 10s and it's just 2. And then finally, this box here has 8 at the top, 2 here. So it is 1 and a 6. Then what we do is we add down the rows, but we only add inside the box. Let's put this all the way around. So 6 is just 6. 6 plus 2 plus 1. 7 plus 5. Now 7 plus 5 is actually 12. So I put the 2 there and I carry the 1 over. And I now add 0 plus 1. And therefore the answer to this one is 1,296. 1296. This one here, we do exactly the same. 7 and 9, 3 and 5. I'm going to multiply my 9 by the 3 first, which gives me 27. 7 by the 3, 21. So I'm multiplying. 9 multiplied by 5. And 7 multiplied by 5. Then I add. 5. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 5 is 16. 2 plus 3 is 5, 6, and this extra one here is 7. If you find it easier to draw this one inside, so you count it up, you can do 2, 3, 5 is 6 and 7. And then I've got nothing to carry over, so that's a 2 just here. While I'm here, I'm just going to show you how to do decimal numbers as well. So if this here, instead of 21 was 2.1, and instead of 59, it was 5.9. So this will be 2.1 multiplied by 5.9. Oh, I forgot to write the whole number out here. 2765. 2,765. So I do the set out in the same way. I put the 2 at the top, I put the 1, I put the 5, I put the 9, but I'm going to put those decimal points in. I'm going to ignore them to start with. I'm going to do it exactly the same as I did it for the others, but I'm going to then put them back in at the end. So I do the lattice method just like we've done before. 1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 5, 1 multiplied by 9. Sorry, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, which is why I've got a 0 here. 1 multiplied by 9, 2 multiplied by 9, and I add them up. 9, 8, 13, 2, and 1. Then what I do is I count. No, I don't. I draw a line. So I'm going to draw a line from this decimal point horizontally and from this decimal point vertically. And then where they meet, I'm then going to draw a diagonal line along the dots. So the decimal point I draw from that decimal point, I'm drawing it vertically. From the decimal point, I'm drawing it horizontally. And then where they meet, I draw another diagonal line. I copy along, and this is where my decimal point is going to go. So the answer is going to be 1239, 1239, but the decimal point is going to be between the 2 and the 3, just here. Have a go, see what you can do with the rest of the sheet.